Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to remove wrinkles in Photoshop. Open the picture you need in the Photoshop app. Right-click on the layer with a photo and select Duplicate Layer from the list. Choose the Copy layer. Select the Clone Stamp tool from the left sidebar. Set brush settings to Soft and choose the size of the brush. Press Alt on your keyboard and click on the non-wrinkled part of the skin. Release the Alt key. Carefully draw over the wrinkled skin. Repeat the actions. Press Alt on your keyboard and click on the non-wrinkled part of the skin. Release the Alt key. Carefully draw over the wrinkled skin. Click on the eye next to the copy layer. You can see the before picture. If you click on the eye again, you will see the final result. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!